themselves so they could save their son's life.
They really loved him.
Decided that if you love the Kangaskhan so much, we'll stay here and protect the Pokemon with you.
Let Mama and Papa join your